Hmm. Which one is full?
Full.
And which one is empty?
Empty.
Yes, good girl. And now which one is full?
Full.
And which one is empty?
Empty.
Good girl, Kiara.
Nothing.
Yes, nothing.
Nothing, Mama, nothing. तो नया.
कुछ नहीं है.
तो नया.
Which one is hard?
Hard.
And which one is soft?
Dark.
Yeah. This is so hard. And which one is soft? Which one is soft?
Dead.
Teddy is soft.
Dark.
And stone is hard.
Hard. What?
Which one is big?
Big.
And which one is small?
More.
Small?
Small and big.
Yes. This is big. And this one is
Small.
small. And now, tell me which one is big?
Big and small.
Which one is big?
And small and big.
Show me here. Which one is big?
And big and small. And big, small and big.
Good girl. Small and big, big and small.
And small and big.
Small and big. Which one is tall?
Tall.
And which one is short?
Short.
Okay. What is the opposite of heavy? Heavy ka opposite?
Light.
Yes, light. Good. Fat.
Thin.
Thin. Good girl.
Mama, do.
Yeah. Hot and cold.
Don't.
Yeah. Small and big. Where is big ball?
And small and big.
Yeah. Show me. Big and small.
Mom.